Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin XLM Stellar. It's down 5.4% over the last 1 week. It's down 35% over the last 1 month. Right now, altcoins are showing signs of life on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, on a monthly time frame. With XLM Stellar having a market cap around $5.1 billion, how high should we expect it to pump in the coming days and the coming weeks? We're at a very, very crucial level right now. It's currently trading around the $0.15 level. Are we going to dump to gambling town? Are we going to finally get a bounce, a relief rally to higher prices? We'll talk about that and more in this video. Let's get down to business. You want to become a member, guys? You want to become a legend? Don't forget, link in the description. XLM Seller has been in the cryptocurrency market over the last few years. It's been one of the OG altcoins. It's been here since 2014. It's gone through bull markets, it's gone through bear markets, it's gone through bull markets, and right now it's going through another wonderful bear market. The last crazy pump we saw for XLM Stellar came in November of 2024 when Donald Trump won the election. We saw a lot of altcoins having a pop to the upside. XLM Stellar was among those altcoins. We saw it rallying up aggressively by more than 584% in just under 35 days. That's how crazy the altcoin markets can be. That's how volatile the altcoin markets can be. Volatility in the altcoin market, guys, is a future. It's not a bug. The reason why we're here, so marking this huge volatility to the downside, is because we want to catch those big pumps to the upside. Look at what XLM Stellar has done over the years since January of 2018, since that crazy pump that we had in 2018, where XLM Stellar went from as low as $0.002, pumping to as high as $0.88. It has dumped to Goblin Town since then. It's bear market. We saw it losing 96% of its value, which in the altcoin market, that's nothing to write home about. A lot of altcoins just dump 96% when the market is bearish. But when the market turns bullish, then you see the reasons why we buy them when they are down bad. When the market turns bullish, you can easily get a 10x, a 20x, a 5x return because of how down bad those altcoins were. In 2021, we saw XLM Seller pulling off a 2,400% move to the upside. Now, we couldn't really pump to new all-time highs then. We just matched the previous all-time highs. We didn't clearly pump to new all-time highs. And since 2018, we have not been able to break to new all-time highs. In the 2022 bear market, we saw Stellar dumping also, but this time around it was not a 96% dump. This time around we only dumped by 90%. That's how volatile the altcoin market can be. The 90% dump is an improvement on the previous bear market. But we've not been able to rally since to new all-time highs since 2018. In 2021, we attempted, got rejected. And in 2022, after we found the bottom, we have seen XLM Stellar consolidate, pump to higher prices, got stopped out around the $0.6 level. That was 768% from the bear market bottom. And right now, we're at another crucial level. The bulls believe we're going to pump to higher prices. The bears believe we're going to go to lower prices. The bulls believe this is a very, very important support level. If you look at what XLM Seller has done over the years, we've had major reactions at this level. In 2019, we were rallying to higher prices. We got rejected there. We had to consolidate lower. We were pumping to higher prices in December of 2020. Guess what? Consolidated around that $0.15 level. And just as early as August of 2023, we got also rejected there. We got rejected there again in March of 2024. Right now, we're currently trading around $0.15 level. That's an important level. I believe the smart players are buying there. I believe the big smart money is accumulating a lot of XLM still at that price level. And over the next few weeks, as we pump to higher prices, one important level to watch out for, apart from the $0.17 level, might be the $0.38 region. From where we're currently trading right now, for us to get to that $0.38 level, we have to see around 150+% pump to the upside. That's what happens with these altcoins. When they start pumping, they can go hard very aggressively, but there are going to be some few junctions along the way to higher prices. If the XLM Stellar doesn't find a resistance around that $0.39 level, we could easily pump to as high as $0.78. That will see us pumping by around 400% from where we're currently trading. That will possibly see us pumping to new all-time highs. But if you get that pump to new all-time highs, guys, you have to be able to buy low. You have to be able to buy when there's pessimism in the cryptocurrency market. You have to be able to buy when a lot of market participants believe we are going to lower prices. When the bears are very bearish, when they are confident in their bearish analysis, that's when the smart bulls start making their bets. And right now, yes, there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. Yes, we have been deep down in extreme fear over the last 3 months with all coins dumping aggressively to gobbling town with a lot of all coins basically almost going to zero. The vibe in the cryptocurrency market right now is that the altcoin market is going to go to zero. All coins are not going to pump at any point in time, and that's the vibe you are looking for if you want to get those cheap gains. There's a saying that most of the money you make in the cryptocurrency market are going to be made in the bear market, but only in the bull market will you realize that the bear market was when you are making those money, because in the bear market you get those bargains. It's in the bear market you have to put in your hard-earned money when there's no evidence of a pump. There's always that possibility that it's one leg down. We can't say the bears are crazy. There's always that possibility that XLM seller will dump, but there's a very, very strong support level at the $0.08 level. And if we see that dump, if we see that XLM seller dump going by 40%, 50%, assuming there's a big capitulation in the cryptocurrency market, that's going to be a good buying opportunity. A 45% dump from where we're currently trading is actually going to still be a good buying opportunity from where XLM Stellar traded in November of 2024. That would have meant we have dumped by around 86%, which I don't think is that crazy. I've showed you guys how XLM Stellar dumped 96% and still recovered to all-time highs, and we have seen a 90% dump. I don't think there's anything wrong in assuming it to pump to a new all-time highs. Look at XLM Stellar's performance against Bitcoin right now. It's down low. It's basically back to where we're trading in March of 2017. XLM Stellar has actually been dumping hard against Bitcoin over the years with some few relief rallies here and there, if not in the big scale of things, in the big picture things. In the scale of things, it has been dumping to Goblin Town. It has been drastically losing value against Bitcoin over the last few years. Now, when that pump comes, it's going to be swift. When that pump comes, it's going to catch a lot of market participants off guard. If you look at what XLM Stellar has done over the years, it can be dumping hard against Bitcoin, but when the pump comes, the pump is very, very sudden and it's very, very aggressive. Look at the pump that came in 2017, pumped by 3,000%. You raise all those gains, pumped by another 3,000 plus percent, and slowly erase all those gains. And a lot of market participants are going to tell you when it start pumping, I'll buy it. But guys, when it start pumping, there'll be a lot of FOMO in the market. When it start pumping, there'll be a lot of anxiety in the market. The way to make some money here is to plan your trade and to trade your plan. You look at XLM Stellar's performance against Bitcoin. Similar price action. It's been down bad. Found the bottom finally around June of 2024 when it got to new all-time lows against Ethereum. But right now, it's still up from that all-time lows by more than 164% against Ethereum. The next phase of the market cycle should see altcoins outperforming Bitcoin by a lot. XLM Stellar is one of those altcoins to watch out for. It's among the top 20 cryptocurrencies we have in the cryptocurrency market. If you look at XLM Stellar's market cap, which is very, very interesting, which is around the $5.1 billion level, I believe we're in a very, very crucial support level. If we dump to lower prices, which is always possible, which the bears can be right, we'll find support hopefully at the $2.5 billion level. But if the bulls are right, if smart money is accumulating right now, if we're getting ready for one big, big pump to the upside, don't be shocked to see XLM Stellar finally breaking to new all-time highs. I've gotten to the $16 billion level way back in January of 2018. We got rejected there. We got back in May of 2021. We got rejected there. Still got back there in November of 2024 and in August of 2025. So maybe just maybe the fifth time is the charm. Maybe just maybe the next pump is the one that will see XLM Stellar clearly pump to new all-time highs on its market cap valuation. And from where we're currently trading, that will just require XLM Stellar pumping by around 250% to the upside. And altcoin market, guys, the 250% pump to the upside can easily happen in the flip of in the twist of a finger. The 250% pump in the altcoin market is not actually that crazy. It's something that can happen in 30 days, in 40 days, maybe even in 60 days. But don't get carried away, guys. A 250% pump on XLM Stellar's valuation will not see it get to new all-time highs on its US dollar price chart. For its US dollar price chart to get to new all-time highs, we need around the 400+% pump to the upside. More XLM Stellar's tokens coming to circulation. We have 50 billion tokens as total supply. We only have 33.09 billion of those tokens in circulation, and that's why there's a discrepancy between the market cap and the US dollar valuation. So guys, drop it out in the comment section. Are you still accumulating some XLM Stellar? Do you still believe it can pump to new all-time highs? And how high do you think it can go if we get that elusive altcoin season pump in 2026? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.